Good morning students, I am Deepali Patel, your maths teacher from Sri Eknath Khadse Talent School, Muktai Nagar. In this section we are going to study exercise 6.5. Okay, question number 13. Question number 13, 14, 15 and 16 and 17 are remaining. Okay, so that's why we are going to see our question number 13 here. So see, D and E are points on the side CA and CB respectively of triangle ABC. Again triangle ABC is given to us. Okay, so draw the triangle ABC. Draw this triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, okay, C, right angle at C. Again right angle at C means what? Angle C is 90 degrees. So D and E are points on the side CA. Okay, CA and CB. Okay, means D point is here, D point is on side CA and E point is on side CB. Okay, so these 2 points are given to us. Right angle at C. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Okay, AE square. This AE square means we have to join this AE plus BD square. Okay, means we have to join again this BD is equal to this AB square plus DE square. Again we have to join this DE. Okay, so D and E, we have to join this DE, then AE square. We need AE square, so we must have to join this AE again. Okay, so join this AE. Okay, then again D square, D already joined, then BD square. Okay, we must have to join this BD also. Okay, so join this BD. Okay, BD square. So see, squares are, we have to find out the square of all these terms. Again we know very well angle C is of 90 degree, means we must have to use Pythagoras theorem in all these. Okay, if we have to find out A square, okay, A square, then we have to use Pythagoras. Okay, so one by one we have to choose the triangles. Okay, right angle triangles only. We one by one we have to choose right angle triangles to find out AE square, BD square, AB square and DE square. Okay, so first write down all the given things. You must have to write. Okay, write down all the given things. So what is given? D and E are points on the sides AC and CB, okay, respectively of triangle ABC, right angle at C. Okay, what we have to prove? That also we have to write. To prove what? AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. This we have to prove. Okay, so we are directly starting the proof. Okay, we are going to see only proof. Okay, given and what we have to prove, that you have to write. Okay, so proof is what then? So see, if we have to find out A square, BD square, AB square and DE square, then we have to okay, and again addition. Okay, so we have to find out one by one AB square, DE square. How can we find AB square, DE square? Then we have to take the right angle triangles. Okay, for AB square and D square. So first we are going to find AB square and then D square. Okay, so how can we find AB square? We have to use this whole triangle ABC. Okay, this whole triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Okay, and if we use Pythagoras theorem in this whole triangle, means ABC triangle, then we get AB square. So write down in triangle ABC or ACB. Okay, ACB, we can write ACB because angle C is 90 degrees. So in triangle ACB, by Pythagoras theorem, if we use Pythagoras theorem, then we get AB square. Pythagoras, by Pythagoras theorem, C, in this triangle ABC, if we use Pythagoras theorem, then we get hypotenuse square, means AB square is equal to one side square is AC square plus another side is BC square. Okay, this is our equation number 1. Okay, so from this equation 1 we get AB square. Similarly, find out D square. For D square we have to use which triangle we have to choose? Then this. Okay, because from this triangle we get D square. If we use Pythagoras in this triangle DCE, then we get D square. Okay, so again in triangle DCE by Pythagoras theorem, again. Okay, so hypotenuse square means DE square is equal to this DC square plus CE square. Okay, this is our equation number 2. Okay, so from triangle ACB we get AB square and from triangle DCE we get D square. Again we have to find out the addition of that both. Okay, means what? We have to add this equation 1 and 2 because we need AB square plus D squares. Okay, so write down here, adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get, okay, after adding these both equation we get AB square plus DE square is equal to AC square plus BC square plus DC square plus CE square. Okay, this is our equation number 3. Okay, this is our equation number 3, or we can write it as C. We can write it as AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square. Okay, CD square or DC square. Now equation number 3. Okay, write it as equation number 3. Okay, how, why we are going to write this, that also you you understand. Okay, after after solving all this. Okay, so this is our equation number 3. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get this, means AB square plus D square is equal to AC square plus CE square. Okay, AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square, this BC square plus CD square. Okay, now we have to find out AE square and BD square. Okay, for AE square and BD square, again we have to choose the triangle. See in this triangle. Okay, see in this triangle, this is AE. Okay, this is AE line, so we have to choose the triangle this AC. See, we have to choose such triangle which contain angle C. Okay, all this triangle we are going to choose that in that all triangle angle C is common. Okay, because it is 90 degree, and if अगर हम ऐसा ट्रायंगल चूज कर रहे हैं तो उसमें हमें पाइथागोरस यूज करते आना चाहिए. दैट ट्रायंगल वी हैव टू चूज ओनली. ओके, सो AE square, how can we get AE square? By choosing the triangle ACE. Okay, because angle C is here, so by choosing angle ACE from this triangle, if we use Pythagoras, then we get AE square. Okay, so write down here, in triangle ACE by Pythagoras theorem, again by Pythagoras theorem, in this triangle ACE. Okay, AE square, hypotenuse is AE, so AE square is equal to AC square plus C square. Okay, AC square plus C square, this is our equation number 4. Okay, and now we have to find out BD square. So BD square is present in this triangle. Okay, means we have to choose this triangle. Okay, this BD square means hypotenuse, so we have to choose this triangle. Okay, so again in triangle BCD, again by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, from this triangle we get BD square. Okay, if we choose this BCD triangle, okay, this BCD triangle, then and only then we get BD square. Okay, because angle C is 90 degree and we can easily use Pythagoras. So in triangle BCD by Pythagoras theorem, again in this triangle by using Pythagoras theorem, we get BD square is equal to C DC square plus BC square. Okay, this is our equation number 5. Again we need AE square plus BD square. Okay, again we need AE square plus BD square, means we have to add this equation 4 and 5. So write down, adding equation 4 and 5, we get, adding this equation, we get AE square plus BD square is equal to AC square plus CE square plus DC square plus BC square. Okay, this is our equation number 6. Okay, now compare equation 3 and equation 6. Okay, compare both these equations. Okay, both these equations, see AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square. Okay, means LHS of both this equation is same. See, LHS दोनों की LHS कैसी है, same. Equation 3 and equation 4, if we are going to observe these two equation, then we can find that its LHS are equal. If LHS are equal, then we can RHS are equal. If RHS are equal, then we can say that LHS also equal. So write down here, from equation 3 and 6. Okay, from equation 3 and 6 we get AB square plus DE square is equal to AE square plus BD square. Okay, since LHS of equation 3 and 6 are same. Okay, if LHS are equal, then we can say that RHS are also equal, and therefore we get the proof of this question number 13. Okay, now come to our next question, question number 14. The perpendicular from A on side BC. See, from this point A, there is a perpendicular AD on BC of triangle ABC. Intersect BC at point D such that DB is equal to, this DB is equal to what? 3 times CD. Okay, this DB is nothing but 3 times of this CD. It is given to us. Okay, this is given to us. Prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Again we have to choose the triangle. Okay, but here the condition is given to us, so step by step we have to use this condition also. Okay, so this triangle is given to us. In this triangle, if we have to find out this AB, we need of this AB square, AC square and BC square. So we have to choose the triangle which contain AB, AC and BC. Okay, so again we have to choose right angle triangle. So what is given to us, that you have to write down what we have to prove, that also you have to write. We are going to take only proof. Okay, so which triangle we have to consider then? In triangle ADB. Okay, from this triangle we get AB square. So in triangle ABD or ADB by Pythagoras theorem, again we have to use Pythagoras. Okay, because AB square we need AB square, so we have to use Pythagoras. So in triangle ABD by Pythagoras theorem, again by Pythagoras theorem, in this triangle ADB we get AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Okay, this is our equation number 1. Okay, this is our equation number 1. Now from this triangle ADC we get AC square. Okay, we get AC square. So we have to consider this triangle. In triangle ADC, again by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, हमें square कैसे मिलेगा? By using Pythagoras only. So by using Pythagoras theorem again, we get AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. Okay, this is our equation number 2. This is our equation number 2. Okay, now what we have to do, actually AB square is in this side, AC square is in this side. Okay, so if we subtract these two, okay, if we subtract equation 1 and 2, then we get this separate term. Okay, because this AC is in, if we transpose this AC in LHS, it becomes negative, so we have to subtract them. Okay, so write down here, subtract equation 2 from 1. Okay, subtract equation 2 from 1, we get AB square minus AC square is equal to AD square plus BD square minus AD square minus CD square. Okay, this AD square get cancelled. Okay, and we get AB square minus AC square is equal to BD square minus CD square. Okay, this is our equation number 3. Equation number 3. Okay, or you can write it equation 3, or if you are not going to write it equation 3, then अगर आपको लिखना है तो लिखिए, नहीं तो नहीं भी लिखा तो भी चलेगा. Okay, but from this condition we can say that BD or DB. Okay, BD or DB is equal to 3DC. Okay, so putting DB is equal to 3CD in equation 3 we get. Okay, if we put DB is equal to 3CD in this equation, DB or BD. Okay, DB or BD is equal to, in equation 3 we get AB square minus AC square is equal to C. This BD square means what? 3CD bracket square minus CD square, which is equal to 3CD square. Okay, we have to take the square. 3 square is 9, CD square minus CD square. Okay, CD square is common, and in bracket what is remaining? 9 minus 1. Okay, 9 minus 1 into CD square. Okay, 9 minus 1 into CD square, and 9 minus 1 is what then? 8 CD square. Okay, so we get AB square minus AC square is equal to what? 8 CD square. This is our equation number 4. Okay, this is our equation number 4. AB square minus AC square, we get it as 8 CD square, equation number 4. Okay, now from figure what we observe? See, if we see this figure, then we observe that this BC is nothing but, okay, from figure, right here, from figure BC is nothing but BC is the addition of this CD and DB. Okay, BC, this whole BC means what? This is addition of CD plus BD. Okay, BC is nothing but CD plus BD. अगर हमने इन दोनों के addition की means BD plus CD, then we get this whole BC. Okay, so from figure we can observe that BC is equal to CD plus BD. Okay, so putting here BD, what we have to put? We have to put the value of BD again from this given. Okay, putting BD or DB is equal to 3CD, we get, okay, again we have to put the value of BD in this equation. We get BC is equal to CD plus this BD is what? 3CD, and we get BC is equal to what then? 4CD. Okay, CD is common. Okay, CD is common, and in bracket we get 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, so we get BC is equal to 4CD, and if we have to find out the value of CD, then we get it as okay, CD. If we have to find out the value of CD, okay, then here we do not need of this 4, so divide both side by 4. We get CD is equal to 1 upon 4 BC. Okay, CD is equal to what? 1 upon 4 BC. Now put this value in equation number 4. Okay, CD's value. So putting this value In equation 4 we get, okay, putting this value in equation 4 we get equation 4 is ab square minus ac square is equal to 8 into cd square, means cd's value is what, 1 upon 4 bc its square is equal to 8, okay, 8 into, okay, 4, 1 upon 4 square means 1 square, 4 square and bc square means 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16 into bc square, okay, 8 1 side 8 2 are 16, okay, and we get it as c, and we get it as ab square plus AC square is equal to 1 half BC square. Okay, AC square, AB, sorry, not plus, AB square minus AC square is equal to what, 1 half BC square. Okay, now multiply both side by 2 we get, because we need of these 2 AB square and 2 AC square. Okay, so multiply both side by 2, multiply both the sides, both sides by 2 we get 2ab square minus 2ac square is equal to bc square. Now transpose this a 2 minus 2ac square to RHS, it becomes positive, so 2ab square is equal to 2ac square plus bc square. Okay, and this is the proof of our theorem. Okay, so this is the proof, and this we have to prove here. Okay, so first we have to take triangle ABD. From this triangle we get AB square. Okay, from triangle ADC we get AC square. Now subtract both this equation. Okay, why we are going to subtract them? See, in this solution you can easily observe. Okay, हमने subtract क्यों किया है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो ट्रांसपोज करने के बाद वो पॉजिटिव हो गया, so we have to subtract them. Okay, after subtracting we get equation 3. Okay, now in equation 3 instead of BD we have to write 3CD. Okay, it is given to us. Okay, after putting the value we get equation 4. Okay, now in equation 4 from figure we can observe this BC is nothing but CD plus DB. Okay, so write down BC is equal to CD plus DB. Okay, now put the value of BD from given in this equation we get BC is equal to CD plus 3CD. Okay, and we get CD. Okay, from this we get CD is equal to 1 upon 4 BC. Okay, now putting this value, okay, the value of CD, now putting this value in equation 4 we get AB square minus AC square as like this. Okay, and therefore we get AB square minus AC square is equal to 1 half BC square. Okay, and again we need 2AB 2AC. Okay, so multiply both side by 2 we get 2AB square. Okay, and after transposing we get the proof of the theorem. Okay, so this is all about our question number 14. Okay, thank you.